democratic country. In democratic country, you are doing like this. It's not a democratic country.
Heated confrontation is raising questions across South Africa as an Ethiopian man sends a bold message to those demanding that foreigners leave the country. In a moment that has sparked debate online, he argues that South Africa is still part of Africa, saying African nations cannot turn against each other and that he will not simply walk away because of threats or pressure. His statement has ignited strong reactions from both supporters and critics, with many asking where the line should be drawn between immigration concerns and African unity. If you're joining us for the first time, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any updates. And if you find this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comment section.
Democratic country. In democratic country, you are doing like this. It's not a democratic country, this one.
Is this your country?
Is Africa. I'm Africa. Africa is my hero. Africa is my hero.
South Africa, Baba.
Is my hero. Africa is my hero.
This is South Africa. It's not Ethiopia. It's not Somalia where you come from.
I said no, don't talk to our country. Don't talk to Yes, guys. Yes, guys.
You say
wait. Hello, leaders.
In our country.
Hello.
Breaking the law. You breaking the law to be here without documents. You man. You here without documents. You say we breaking the law. You breaking the law, man. You fucking Pakistan. You fucking shit. Let's go out here. No, I can't.
All right, we will go out.
Breaking the law, man.
With
We're not breaking the law.
all right.
Don't make a noise, Baba.
No, as well, but we have to do things in a proper manner.
Yes, peaceful.
So what do you want to do? You can't move them. We as a police officer, I will ask
no, that's not somebody immigration. No, because Rurarkisa complain to police station. I didn't complain. Honano report a crime. I saw the report a crime in the Modu. Because I Ranesaba, Honano Sernesaba, Honano Barcilamo, Barsin, Senserdin Samus, Pronomemokai. Ariane, we are not fighting, we are not doing anything. Kiyo Rokamopera.
So doesn't that Don't sign anything. Don't sign anything. You must fuck off in our country.